Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to reach your most ambitious goal ever and how to do it faster. I'm going to be sharing some personal examples with you as a mom, having 4 children, a full-time career, and running a business. You can do anything that you set your mind to, but how do you do it faster? How do you actually get the results that you see successful people get? You may say to yourself, oh, they're extra talented, they're extra special, they have this, that, and the other thing. But what I'm about to share with you today will change your life. If somebody has done something, you absolutely can do it too. But here is the magic ingredient that you need to have that same level of success, if not more. It's called mastering the small pieces. Every single goal, every single thing in life can be broken down into smaller components. If you have a particular weight loss goal or physique goal that you are trying to achieve, it doesn't just happen overnight. There are particular steps involved to help you have the success that you desire, to help you feel good in your skin. Break those things down into smaller pieces and begin to master each of those little pieces. And every time you master one of those small pieces that will lead up to big results, it gives you more momentum, it gives you more speed, it gives you more ambition, it helps you dream bigger. This is the power of breaking ambitious goals up, is looking at it from small, tiny, microscopic pieces. But these are the pieces that make the world of a difference. When we went through our debt-free journey, when I wrote a book, creating journals, creating an Etsy store, starting this YouTube channel, and my other cleaning channel, I broke each and every single one of those tasks into smaller and smaller tasks. And every day I dedicated just a little bit of time, and it added up to big results that will continue to grow and work for me. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever been in a situation where a goal seemed too big or unattainable and you thought to yourself, well, I could never do that? Today, after leaving this, I want you to know and understand that you can achieve anything that you want. Break those goals down into smaller pieces. It becomes more manageable. It becomes more obtainable. It helps you develop mastery. It's not the big things that we do on a day-to-day basis. It's not doing a 10-hour workout or eating a salad every day for 1 week that's going to make the world of a difference. It's the little choices every single day that we make. That's what adds up over time. You will truly be unstoppable when you approach goal setting in your everyday life in this manner. I promise you. So what do you need to do? I ask you this right now. What is one of your most ambitious goals? Maybe it's a goal that scares you. Maybe it's a goal that you're afraid to even say out loud, let alone to another person. I want you to speak it into existence right now. Don't filter yourself. State that goal out loud. Don't allow judgment to get in the way. Say it right now. Now that's an amazing first step. Saying it out loud. You may have a ton of feelings flooding through your body right now as you said that. You may have a ton of ideas or inspiration or doubts associated with that. But what I want you to do is to break that goal down into your first step. Your first step. That's all you need to do is take that first step. Be willing to take it. And you may say to yourself, well, I don't even know what the first step is. Then go ahead, list out all the possible steps that it would take to reach your goal. If it's becoming debt-free, maybe you need to create a budget. Maybe you need to be figuring out what's coming into your bank account and what's leaving your bank account. Maybe you need to find ways to generate more revenue. Maybe it's the people that you hang out with are a terrible influence on your life and your spending and what you're providing and assimilating value to. And then I want you to decide which of those things that you are going to do first. Maybe you have $100,000 of debt and you say to yourself, there's no way I'm going to be able to pay that off. Nope. But you can do one small thing. Remember, it's those everyday, mundane things that we often attach no importance to that lead to amazing results. Anyone who has had success will tell you this. It is not overnight. If you want to start a successful YouTube channel, you just master each individual step and then you move on to the next. And you look back on your life, or you look back a year later and you see how much progress you have made. You no longer compare your progress to anyone else's because you see where you have started and how far you have come. So this isn't magic per se, but it's how we view, approach, and solve everyday problems. It's our perspective. It's how we approach them. When you take an attitude of, I can do anything, you truly can do anything. But it's all about mastering those small choices that you can make every day. If you have an hour to work on your business, a personal goal that you've set for yourself, I want you to do that and get laser focused on where you are in that moment, mastering that particular project, piece, or action step. If you are wanting to write a book, create your outline. Maybe that's the first step that you need to take. You don't have to write the whole book in a day. Heck, you don't even have to do it in a year. But take action on that first small step. You will feel invigorated as you start crossing off these mini milestones that you have achieved on your road to success and achieving your most ambitious goal. Faster, longer, stronger. You will start to inspire people around you as they see you building momentum, as they see you continuing to work on these things. They can't necessarily see the fruits of your labor or the outcome, but they will. It's the stuff that we do that no one can necessarily see that makes the most impact. And then one day you wake up and you realize you've achieved the goal that you set, the most ambitious goal you thought seemed out of this world. And then what happens, my friend, is so amazing. Your goals get even bigger and more ambitious than you had ever dreamed of. Why? Because you have the confidence now that you've already achieved an ambitious goal that you set for yourself. But rather than looking at the end of the road or the finish line, you are looking at each individual step, each individual piece of that puzzle, and owning it, having mastery over it. When you do this, you can truly have whatever you want in life. You can turn those passions into profits with ease and inspire those around you to do the same. How powerful, how beautiful is that? To not only improve the life of yourself, but the life of those around you. You have everything that you need right in this moment. You've stated your goal. Now I want you to go out and take that first small step and know that you are in the right path, that you are going to be turning your dreams into reality, my friend.